Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can configure Zoho Mail in Outlook. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to mail.zoho.com and log in to your Zoho Mail account. Once you're inside, go to the top right and click on this gear icon, and then scroll down and go to Mail Accounts. From here, we're going to click on IMAP and enable IMAP access. This is important for us to continue, and then click on Save. Next, we would go to our profile by clicking here on our Zoho Mail, then click on My Account. From here, we're going to go to Security on the left panel. We're going to scroll down, and then we're going to generate a new password on application-specific passwords. This would be for Outlook. So, generate, and then you're going to save this for later. Now, open your Outlook, and then go to this gear icon on the top right. After that, we're going to go and add a new account. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to paste our Zoho Mail account or email right here. So, let's go to Zoho Mail, go to Settings, then go to Mail Accounts, then copy this email and paste it here, then continue. For our password, we're going to go back and retrieve this right here, the one we applied earlier, copy and paste it here. Then continue. Then click on Done, and as easy as that, we've added our Zoho Mail account to our Outlook. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!